Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a simple thank you card for you, and I'm going to be doing an alcohol inked background. So I'm pulling out some Yupo paper. That is the paper that you want to go ahead and use for your alcohol ink backgrounds and projects. I'm using the one by Tim Holtz, but there's other ones out there on the market, so find the one that you like best. But I'm just adding 2 colors of the Tim Holtz alcohol ink and then using the blending solution, and then I'm going to grab out the blower tool and blow this ink around and blend it and have fun with this background. I recently picked up the pink color. It is called Gumball, and then I'm using the teal here. I can't remember the name directly off the top of my head, but I'll have it linked down below in the description box with all of the supplies. That is where you will always find the supplies on my video if you want to know the exact name or get a closer look. And then I'm just using the tool here to blend this all together. And what I love about these colors is as I blended them together, I got some purples too. And I just love how the teal and the pink go together. This pink is such a fun in-between pink. It's not too dark, it's not too light. And then even as I blended it out with the blending solution, I was able to get a lighter pink. You can see it in the center there. And I just really, really love this background. Really vibrant, but still super, super simple. Teal is like one of my favorite colors, and I really like pink too, and purple. So the fact that I got purple, I didn't even think that I would. So that is just really cool. Here is the finished background, just doing a few finishing touches. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut this down. I do have an extra piece that maybe you will see in another video, or maybe I will use it somewhere else. This time around, I did not go ahead and make 2 cards. Sometimes I can get 2 cards out of 1 Yupo paper, which is super, super great, but I only had time to make 1 card. But I'm going to go ahead and mount this on some black cardstock to just make it pop. I felt like just on the white card base that it got lost. Now you could definitely leave it. It's really pretty with the white border as well, but I wanted to go ahead and give it a little bit more because I was going to be adding in this black die cut that I had in my scrap bin. I'm not sure where I got it, but it's there. I do not know what the die is, but I wanted to go ahead and use it. So I'm adding in the black border around the panel. I need to replace my tape on my advanced tape glider. It's giving me trouble and not staying on. Every once in a while it does that to me. So bear with me as I navigate my advanced tape glider. So once this is down, I'm going to go ahead and bring out my Tim Holtz paper trimmer to trim off the edges, and then I do go back in with my scissors because, to be honest, paper trimmers make me nervous. It doesn't matter how good they are, they just make me nervous, and sometimes I just like to go in there with scissors and make it as small of a border as I like. But yes, I love how this black pops against the teal and the pink and the purples in this. It just brings it to life more and makes it stand out even more. And also brings the white that is still remaining in the background panel to life as well. It just enhances all of the colors and makes them stand out more. And then I still have the white border around the back with the black on the card base, so you get all of these different layers. And once I'm happy with the black matte, we can go ahead and get this adhered down to the card base and then add in the finishing touches. Like I said, this is a super simple card. You got an alcohol ink background, a few layers, the die cut that I had in my paper scraps, and then I'm going to add in the sentiment, and I'm going to actually handwrite the sentiment. I wanted to do a quick card and I didn't want to search for a small sentiment for the card, so I just decided to handwrite it because I had a pen close by and we got it done. So adhering this down to the card base, and then I'm going to glue this die cut on down, and I'm using the Bearly Art glue for this. This gave me some wiggle room to get it into place. This is probably one of my favorite alcohol ink backgrounds I've ever made. I really, really love the pink. I definitely need to experiment with the Gumball color and some other colors as well. So if you see Gumball alcohol ink all the time, sorry, not sorry, love it. Must use it on all of the cards. Okay, so adding that swirl, I really like this swirl. It kind of looks like a heart. You can do a lot of different sentiments with this. This would be a great birthday card or thinking of you card, all of the things, but I'm going with a thank you. So here I'm just using an Inkjoy Jelly Roll pen. I think it's from Papermate. I love them. Just adding in the word thank you in black to tie in all of the blacks from the black matte and the black swirl. And then the sentiment is also going to stand out on the card because we've got these vibrant, fun colors in the background, and then we've got this simple white and black of the background, or I mean the die and the matte, and then the thank you. So that's going to finish up today's card. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so that you can follow along as I share card making videos to inspire you along the way. Bye for now.